Masuala. I'm the founder and the president of the Township Economic Commission SA and also the Texas Foundation. We're happy and excited today. We're at the National Strategic Meeting where we have the 4 companies that are part of Texas Foundation, which is Texas Foundation, Mashudu Diniko Consulting, and we have the Tech G20 to look at the activities, obviously the program for the year, but looking at confirming the mandate of Texas, the objective of Texas, and also looking at the program of action, what needs to be done, who, how, and when, and also aligning it with the budgets and all that. Now we spoke about a lot of activities that needs to be done. One, we recognize the importance of making sure that the Texas get the program of action with all the strategy that we needed to put in place. We're happy today we had our chairperson for Eastern Cape, but also our CEO for the Tech G20, which she was sharing our meeting today. We say big up to Mrs. Kamisa for coming to Gauteng and also making sure that at the end of the day, this strategic meeting becomes a reality. But now we're very excited now because now we know what needs to be done and how.